Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis is hitting back at Rahul Gandhi for the claim that he had made in his op-ed article. And after that, he had stated that if the Election Commission wants to refute the charges made by Rahul Gandhi, then they should release consolidated voters list of Maharashtra. And now, the Maharashtra Chief Minister is saying that Rahul is rejected and dejected. He's saying that Rahul is deeply hurt by the poll loss in Maharashtra, and he is insulting Maharashtra voters by asking for this consolidated list of voters and also CCTV footage of the polling booths after 5 p.m. Rahul claimed that there was a voter fraud by the Election Commission in Maharashtra.
लेखाचं उत्तर लेखाने दिलेलं आहे, फॅक्ट्स अँड फिगर्स सहित दिलेलं आहे. त्याच्यामुळे मला असं वाटतं की आता तरी राहुल गांधी अशा प्रकारचं बोलणं सोडतील. ताउम्र राहुल जी, आप यही गलती करते रहे, धूल चेहरे पर थी और आईना पूछते रहे.
Let's now listen into what the leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi had said earlier on the Maharashtra voter list rigging claims, asking Election Commission why it cannot give him the Maharashtra voters list.
राहुल,
महाराष्ट्र के लोगों से पूछिए, आपको बताएंगे बीजेपी ने महाराष्ट्र में चुनाव कैसे जीता है, वो आपको बता देंगे किस प्रकार से जीता है. इलेक्शन कमीशन से हमने वोटर लिस्ट, महाराष्ट्र की वोटर लिस्ट हम पूछ पूछ के थक गए. आज तक इलेक्शन कमीशन हमें महाराष्ट्र की वोटर लिस्ट नहीं दे पा रहा है. ये सच्चाई है.
For more on this, let's cut across to India Today's Omkar Wable. Omkar, this seems that this entire feud about the Election Commission and the voters list and Maharashtra polls is not going to die down even after this long time. It may have gotten reignited because of an op-ed article that Rahul Gandhi wrote, but now it seems the Chief Minister has jumped into this entire controversy.
Well, exactly, because Gandhi wrote an article and also he alleged that there was a match fixing in the Maharashtra Assembly election, and that's how he used that word of a match fixing. He consistently raised questions about the process of Maharashtra election voting pattern, and now Devendra Fadnavis has jumped into this battle in response to Rahul Gandhi. Chief Minister said that, so he countered him. He mentioned that he gave all the voting patterns, also statistics of the election and votes, and also bifurcated the data. So, Fadnavis stated that Rahul Gandhi consistently, he was insulting the democratic process. He was continuously disrespect the public mandate, and also, if the people have rejected Rahul Gandhi, in that retaliation, Gandhi is rejecting the people, and that's how he's trying to disrespect the state of Maharashtra and their people and playing with the sentiment. That's how Devendra Fadnavis replied to the Gandhi.
Right. Thank you very much, Omkar, for all this update. So it seems that the tussle is just escalating and Rahul Gandhi is not backing down.